I opened my heart to learning. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I had a lot to learn. I had a lot to learn and I had a lot to unlearn. You know, religion can take you to places that will be very difficult for you to come out. And so I opened my heart to be taught of the Lord. I allowed the Lord to teach me from the Word, from Bible teachers on YouTube. I learned some of the things I'm sharing with you now. They are the things I learned. I didn't know them earlier. I have come learning and learning and learning. I had a lot to unlearn first and then relearn. And so open your heart to learning. Jeremiah chapter 33 and verse 3. Call to me and I will answer you and tell you great and mighty things you will not have known. You will need to learn. You will need to unlearn certain things, especially if you have been deeply rooted in culture, if you have been deeply rooted in religion, if you have not been believing Christ as you should, you will have a lot to unlearn. Culture beliefs, religious beliefs. Learn what the Lord teaches, what Jesus teaches in His Word, in its truth. That is what will bring you a breakthrough. Otherwise, if you hold on to religion and if you hold on to culture beliefs and you hold on to all these things, you will hold on them to please people and you will remain in bondage. And so you have a choice to make. I made this choice. I was going to learn. To learn. Not to attack anyone, not to fight anyone, but to learn for my benefit, for me to get the breakthrough that I was looking out for. And I did not just get a breakthrough, I got so much out of it. It wasn't just that breakthrough. If I can tell you how much the Lord has done by me learning, it is so, so, so much. Unlearn what you have always known that is not biblical, because even some of the religion things that we know, some of them are not biblical. You will need to unlearn that. Ask the Holy Spirit to guide you, to help you, to lead you to people that can teach you right. And you'll be able to learn, and your breakthrough is sure on the way. It is because He loves you. God bless you. More to this in the description box in a PDF. God bless you. Bye-bye.